Alright, now we're going to show another tool, the elliptical selection tool. So what I want you to do is hold down Shift M until this tool comes up right here. So you just keep turning until we get that. And then we are going to, actually we should have zoomed in on this first. So hit the letter Z for zoom. We don't have scrubby zoom turned on, and we just draw a box around this plate of shells. Boom. Awesome. Now we go Shift M, and we have our elliptical selection tool. Awesome. So what we're going to do is I'm going to click up here in the top left. And I'm going to click and drag down. Now the problem is that this ellipse does not match the shape that we want. So while you have the mouse clicked down, hold down also the space bar. That will let you back up and match this a little bit better. Then I'm going to not let go of the mouse button, but I'm going to let go of the space bar. And it's going to let me resize this. And now I want to move it again. I'm going to hold down the space bar and just shimmy back and forth till we get this right. I can make it smaller. Just keep doing it. It's not frustrating at all. No. Okay. Once you basically got this, it does not have to be exact at all. Well, pretty darn close. That's along near the edges, I should say that. Okay, like I've got right here. Awesome. Now you can let go of the mouse button. Super. Now, do I ever use the ellipse tool in this fashion? Very rarely. Very rarely. I'd use the quick selection key or the magnetic lasso or something like that in order to get around something that has this shape. But would I use when I do use the elliptical selection tool, it's mostly to create a circle or an ellipse that I want to fill in with a gradient or color, maybe make it a button on a web page or have text over top of it, something like that. I use the elliptical selection tool an awful lot for that. All right, so go Command 0 or Control 0 and zoom everything out. And what we want to do is we're going to move this selection. One little trick, actually, we were in the elliptical tool, which was M. So please hit M in order to go back there. And I just want to show you this little trick. It's not very big. So if you hold down the Command key on a Windows or Control on Windows, Command on Mac, you'll notice that the cursor, wow, when you hold it down, turns to the scissors, which is exactly what you get if you get the move tool, which I'll just hit V and get the move tool. But it does allow you to just quickly switch really fast. So I'm going to hold down the Command key and drag it up to the letter B. Now, just put it down below it a little bit and let go. And use the arrow key to go up. Please notice how it goes, it goes up one pixel at a time. I can go left, I can go right. Yay, that's awesome. You hold it down. It goes for a while. Hold down the Shift key, and it goes 10 at a time. Ooh, ah. All right, so that way you can shimmy it into place, and that's kind of nice.